If Opera keeps reopening tabs every time you close the browser, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a minute. This is a simple setting change that can stop Opera from restoring old tabs and make it open the way you want instead. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. In the very top left corner, click the Opera O logo. This opens the main menu for the browser. From that drop-down menu, scroll down near the bottom and click Settings. This will take you to Opera's main settings page. Once the settings page opens, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll want to look for the section called On Startup. This is the area that controls how Opera behaves when it launches, including whether it opens your previous tabs or starts fresh. Now, under On Startup, click the circle next to Begin Fresh with Start Page to turn it on. This tells Opera not to reopen old tabs when you close and relaunch the browser. Instead, it will start with a clean start page, which is exactly what you want if those tabs keep coming back automatically. After that, you can simply close the settings page and test it out. Close Opera completely, then open it again and make sure it starts fresh without restoring the tabs you had before. In most cases, this one setting is all you need to fix the issue. If you were able to fix Opera opening tabs automatically, go ahead and leave a like to help the video reach more people. And if you want more simple browser fixes and tech tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.